Hello everyone, I am your educator Anjali and we are learning about Google Sheets. In our previous video, we discussed what is sheet and how is it useful, and after that we got some glimpse that how to log in into our sheet document. Now in this section we are going to learn about other thing and we are going to start our actual course. So before moving to that, I want to show you this work which you can currently see on my screen. So here is the demo sheet. Sorry, here is this demo sheet. We will try to create this type of sheet in our project, or while I am teaching you, we will try to create this type of sheet. As you can see here is the drop down option. So how to put this drop down option? Then if I double click on it, you can see the calendar. Here you can see different. I am moving my cursor but this thing is not moving. Then here is a different color scheme. So we will try to create much more interesting sheet than this, but as a sample you can consider this, as this course is a basic course. Okay, so more advanced things you can learn into our upcoming courses which will be on Excel Advanced. So let's start. So if you can recall, in our last video we have stopped over here. We have opened this blank sheet and I told you that we will start to learn about its menu bar and we will discuss about its all other options. So first thing is that when you create a sheet, you have to give it a name. Like let's assume this is my attendance sheet. I am creating attendance, or we can say student detail sheet. Student detail sheet, as I am a teacher. So over here in this box you can add or you can rename your sheet. Then again here you can see the same options which we have learned previously on our Google Docs and Google Slides course, but there are some new options also. So let's discuss this all one by one. But before that you should know that what we call these boxes and these cells. So as you can see, this A is a column, B is a horizontal row, C is a horizontal row. So whatever here are, these are the columns. Okay, so the vertical lines or the boxes which are in vertical line, these are called as a columns. And again you can see here 1 2 3 4, these are called as a rows. So the vertical boxes are columns and horizontal columns, we call them as a row. Now if I click over this box, you can see that the blue line is only on this box. So this box is called as a cell. What we call it? Cell. It's a theoretical part, but it will be good if you can remember. So now I have written cell and I want to trace the position of my word cell. So what is its position? It is in a B column and in the second row. That's why its position is B2. Okay, because it is in a B column and in a second row. Similarly, it is A because it's in a column and it's in a first row. That's why this is a A1. Okay, so this is a cell. Then here you can see this line, this blank line. So whatever I am writing over here, you can see it's getting typed over here also. It's because this line enables us to write whatever you want to write in this cells. Also it helps you to insert sheet formulas. If you are new, then you won't know that with this Google Sheets help, you can actually calculate difficult maths with some easy formulas. Like just type you just need to type some, I'm not sure, and then the other form, the numbers. So that's the formula we will learn about it. So for now you just remember that this is the line where we can write the formulas, or whatever we write here it appears here. Then again here is these two options, undo and redo. This undo option enable you to undo your whatever mistakes you have made or whatever you have written. That's it. And if you want that the whatever thing I have changed, it's not good, I want to go back to my the work which I have progressed, then redo option is for you. Then this is the print option. It enables or helps you to print whatever you have made. Then here is this is a theme option, sorry, paint format. It helps you to paint, paste value, paste format. So we will discuss it later. Okay, then here is the zooming option. If you want your slide to appear small or appear big, then this option is for you. This format, these are the some currency signs, some percentage वगैरह, we will learn this in formatting. So this is the format option. Here is the font option, your favorite. Let's write over here date, and now I want to change the font style of this date. Then just click on this date option and select whatever you want. But before that you have to select this word date. So go on the font size option and you can change the font style. Here you can click on the more fonts and it will lead you over here. Here you can see so many fonts are available. So let's select this one and click on the OK, and you can see the font style is changed. Now I want to change the color of my text. Then again select your text and then go on A and select whatever color you want. The color of the text is changed. So that's how you can change the color, you can change the font of everything you have written. Okay, now you want to make it bold, then you just need to select it again, and here is the B option which will make that bold. This is the font size option with which you can increase the font size or decrease it. Okay, and then here is a fill color option. If you want to fill a specific color in that cell, you just need to click on that option and you can fill whatever color you want. As you can see, you just need to select the cell, then go on to the fill color option and insert the color whatever color you want. That's it. Now let's assume I want to give a color to this whole row or to this whole column. Then what should I do? Should I select one by one column? No, it will be so much time consuming, right? So for that there is an easy option. You just need to select the row or the column you want and to apply the changes whatever you want. Let's select this column, okay, this row, sorry, and in this row I want all the font letter should be in Meriwether. So you can see the fonts of student is changed. I want the font size of everything to the 12. So the font size is changed. Now I want color to be pinkish, pink. I want font color to be this black. So as you can see, when I selected this row, whatever changes I am making from here, these all changes are going here. Now bold option, it is applicable to bold. So that's how it helps you to change. Not only for one row, you can change it for as many rows as you want. Just select and make changes from over here. Then here you can see the border options. These border options help you to, what we can say, to highlight your border. So in this border option, here you can see all borders, only inner borders, horizontal borders. So let's select some range to check if this works on this. Okay, now we are going on to this border option. If we click on this border, you can see all the borders are highlighted, but I don't want that all borders should get highlighted. I just only want that inner borders get highlighted. Then this one, if you want, okay, it's not making any changes because we need to select it. Okay, okay. So we have discussed these two borders. Then only horizontal border, you can see only horizontal lines are appear. If you want to insert vertical borders, then only vertical border. But that doesn't mean that if you are changing the border style, the previously applied styles will change. You have to undo it by yourself. So that's one thing you should remember while changing this border. Okay, so let's assume that I want this upper border, outer border. Okay, so you can see over here only outer border is highlighted. Here you can change the color of borders. You can see it became red. You can change the size of borders. You can increase, decrease, make it dotted border or like this. So this border option is very helpful if you are creating some work for your college, or you have to insert some boxes and make it look pretty. Then here you can see the merge cell option, right? So if I click on this arrow, second, let's assume all the details like school name is same for all these students over here. Okay, school name is same for all the kids name I have written here. So I don't want to write it again and again, I just want to merge it. So just you need to select the columns, the rows or the cells and click here merge cell, and you can see the lines are gone, these cells are merged, and whatever you will write in this column, it will be saved for this entire box. Now I have written MTM. Let's my school name is MTM. But it's not looking good, right? It's at the beneath of this merge cell. Then what you can do? So for this, these alignment options over here will help you. Here you can see horizontal alignment. So this helps you to move your word from left to center, from center to right. But it looks good in the center, that's why center. Now here is this vertical alignment option, this down arrow. It helps you to move the position of this MTM we have written top, middle or bottom in the vertical way. So if I click on this, as you can see I have selected bottom, so it's at the bottom, but I want it in the top, then it's in the top. But for these options, most useful is this middle one. Now let's assume I am writing something so much, so you can see it's going beyond this cell and it does not look good, right? And I want it that the other thing which is going out of cell should appear beneath that words in a same cell. Then here is this option, text wrapping. When you click on this text wrapping, you can see overflow. Overflow means whatever you are writing in this cell is going and overflowing in the other cell. But if I click on this wrap option, you can see the text are wrapped in a one cell. Okay, and then here is the clip option. It's not overlapping over other, but it's not wrapped, it's somewhere here, and this option is very difficult to read anything you have written, so I prefer this text writing option. Now you have written MTM over here, but you want to decorate it, you want to give it some different angles, then is text rotation is for you. You just need to click on this text rotation and you can move these angles. See, I'm moving. You can again write it like this in a horizontal way, any angle you want, in a 90-degree, or you can change it 30-degree according to your need. Again, this was about alignment. Then here is the insert option, which we will learn in our next session. Insert again, and this is a function which we are going to learn in our upcoming videos. So yeah, this is the menu bar of the Google Sheet. I hope you like this video and it helped you to understand some basics of this menu. If you don't get it, don't worry, we are going to learn everything step by step in our upcoming videos. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning. Bye bye.